My favorite thing over here at Enginetech would probably be collaborating with the customers. We do international, national right here in the United States. So we get a little bit of everybody's personality from east to west.
My favorite thing about working at Enginetech is getting to know more people.
My favorite thing about working here at Enginetech is the fast-paced environment, my crazy coworkers, when they allowed us to be ourselves here.
My favorite thing about my job at Enginetech is just the camaraderie, all the teamwork that we do. We all work together to make the job happen.
My favorite thing will be the environment, the people. It's always great people, and there's always possibility to learn and keep advancing forward.
My favorite thing about it, working at Enginetech, is the environment. Love working with the employees here. Not only that, also the customers. They make it worthwhile. We got quite different type of customers that will amuse you throughout the day.
Favorite thing about Enginetech, I would say more than anything is the culture, the environment, but at the same time you get to see, feel, touch engine parts. That would be the best thing you would say about working at Enginetech.